Okay guys, here we go. Spectra 2-box break coming up. I'll just run through the teams. So Philip has the Eagles, Ben has the Jags, I've got the Colts. Paul Voorhees has the Rams, James has the Ravens, I've got the Raiders. Josh has the Steelers, Gary the Bears, Ali the 49ers, Angus the Vikings, Ewan the Redskins, Rory the Jets, Paul the Saints, Luke the Browns, Angus the Chiefs, Cassie the Panthers. Ali has the Broncos, Richard the Dolphins, Andy the Bucks. Ian has the Bills, Paul has the Patriots, Daniel the Titans, Chris the Cardinals, Paul the Mayor the Cowboys, Rob Bartlett the Lions, Andrew McDonald has the Texans, Ryan the Bengals, Jamie the Falcons, Dan the Giants, Alan the Packers, Brian the Chargers, and Daniel the Seahawks. I think that was all the trades, but you'll correct me if wrong. Okay, so here we go. 2 boxes. So, first one, all sealed up. First time of opening this for me, so here we go. So 4 packs. Empty box. Use that to stand them on actually, a bit higher. Okay, first one. Cards there. Okay. So here we go. First up we have a die cut, and this is for the Seahawks. Marshawn Lynch. A blue die cut, 30 of 35 on that one. For the Seahawks, first card. Next one, the Building Blocks triple jersey, DJ Chark for the Jags. Number to 99, hit for the Jags. Next up, Vikings, Stephon Diggs Sunday Spectacle jersey, 82 of 99. Stephon Diggs for the Vikes. And last one in this pack, Packers rookie autograph, Joshua Jackson. Number to 199, sticker auto that one. 199, Joshua Jackson. Okay, that is pack 1. Next one. Okay, base card, parallel, I'm guessing, Aaron Rodgers for the Packers to 99. Let me just the base. 13 of 99. Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Next up, Broncos, Royce Freeman Building Blocks. And a nice sticky out bit of patch. Nice bit of patch sticking out there in the middle. Royce Freeman, number to 99 for the Broncos. Next up, AFC West rivals Chiefs, Tyreek Hill Catalysts jersey. And that one is to 199 for the Chiefs. And last one in this pack, nice patch for the Dolphins, Mike Gesicki. 4-color patch, pink sticker signature. To 15, 12 of 15, Mike Gesicki for the Dolphins. There you go. Okay, third pack. And the other way. Hits at the bottom. Okay, so on the top, James Washington, rookie for the Steelers. Number to 75, that one. James Washington. Next up, synced swatches for the Falcons. Calvin Ridley, Matt Ryan. To 75, nice combo for the Falcons. Next one, Catalyst jersey, Alvin Kamara, or Kamara. Kamara for the Saints to 199. And last one in this pack, Bradley Chubb for the Broncos. Nice two-color patch, rookie auto, 5 out of 75. Sticker auto. Nice one for the Broncos. And final pack in the first box. Oops, maybe dropped some. Okay. On the top, Titans Derrick Henry to 99. Then another die cut base, this time Eagles, Jay Ajayi to 15, 10 of 15, Jay Ajayi. Next up, I think we've got a dual. Rivals jerseys, Saquon Barkley and Ezekiel Elliott. Giants and Cowboys in the random. And that one's numbered to 25, 7 of 25. So that one's going to be a random based on slots purchased. So I'll have to do that one later. And last one in this pack, Lamar Jackson for the Ravens. Rookie patch autographs. Green signature on the sticker for the Ravens. 18 of 50. LJ8 for the Ravens. That is box 1. Box 2. Bursting at the bottom, these are. Okay, so there's 4 packs. Okay, top card. Jimmy Garoppolo for the Patriots. To 99, that one. The Patriots. Next up, Falcons, Tevin Coleman to 199. Sunday Spectacle jersey. And next up, Cardinals, Building Blocks, Josh Rosen. Nice middle patch again. The middle patches are quite nice in these. So 99, that one, 97 and 99, Josh Rosen for the Cardinals. And last one, Steelers, rookie patch autographs, James Washington. 64 of 99 for the Steelers. Excuse me. Okay, second pack out of the second box. Use this way. And on the top, Seahawks, Richard Sherman to 30, this one, parallel version, green to 30. Die cut for the Colts, T.Y. Hilton. Die cut to 15, 7 of 15 for the Colts. And Cornerstones jersey, Matthew Stafford. And that one is to 99. Cornerstones. And Super Bowl champion signatures for the Patriots. Teddy Bruschi. Super Bowl champion signatures. And that is on card. Very nice. Super Bowl champion signatures, Teddy Bruschi. And that is 2 of 5. Very nice one for the Patriots there. 2 of 5, Teddy Bruschi. You pleased with that one, Paul? Okay, third pack. Die cut on the top. Ravens again. Alex Collins this time to 35. Next up, Cornerstones jersey, Melvin Gordon to 99, that one. Cornerstones jersey for the Chargers. Next up, Cowboys, Mike White, aspiring rookie auto jersey, and that's numbered to 75, 19 of 75. And last one in this pack. Ooh, rising rookie jersey, Saquon Barkley. Look at those patches. 3 of 5. You think of that one, Dan? I thought it might be an auto for a minute, but look at that. Got the K. Or another letter there. Could be the A. Could be K. Barkley. Saquon Barkley. Nice patch there. For Dan, the Giants fan. Keep or cash in for big money down. Very nice patch that one. Very nice. There you go. Final pack in the break. Face on the top. Okay. Top card. Texans. Donta Foreman. And that's to 30. Donta Foreman for the Texans. Next up, Bills, Sunday Spectacle, Shaq Lawson. Number to 199, that one, Shaq Lawson for the Bills, Sunday Spectacle. An ultimate card, Cowboys rising rookie, Mike White again. Mike White, and that is to 99 for the Cowboys. And the final card, Shaquem Griffin, rookie auto for the Seahawks. The sticker, numbered to 149, 002 of 149. Shaquem Griffin for the Seahawks. So there you go, that is 2 boxes of Spectra. Well, thanks to everyone for taking part, and we're sure to do more soon.